How to change language in Instagram. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device. And after that, make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself in the home page. Now from this home page, navigate to the bottom right corner. From there, tap on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, now navigate at the top right corner and then tap on three-line icon. That will take you to settings and activity page. Here scroll down a bit and keep on scrolling until you are at your app in media section. Under that section, there is an option as language. So simply tap on language and there you get to select multiple languages. So select the language that you would like to change to. And as soon as you tap on that, now again open up your Instagram application and there you see the language has been changed in Instagram. So that was the way to change language in Instagram. Hope this video helped you and make sure to subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.